So these are the two general options that most people in the ambulance service will use, but you can upgrade these from Mngarista. I'll just put these out side by side so you can compare and contrast. So first and foremost, you can see that even the plastic webbing here is reinforced. Got nice, decent, heavy-duty rings available on both as well. This is plastic, this part's metal, so that's much stronger. But where they really stand out is in the cord. It's quite a thin piece of nylon. On this one, it's a steel cable. It's wrapped in plastic, so it's not going to snag on anything, but it's much stronger. Same goes for this. Thin nylon. So let's get rid of those. Now this is my usual house keys. Swiss Army knife, little Leatherman squirt, house keys, and bottle opener, because obviously you can never have too many of them. Now I'd say most people's keys won't be as heavy as that, but now I personally prefer this style because I just find it easier to hang this on my belt loop rather than to try and actually clip it onto something. It's a little bit more secure. But they both look fantastic. They're both very, very durable. It's got a nice little rubber little part here as well. So when it snaps back, it acts as a little buffer. This has the same. So this is my current setup. I can put my hospital and base IDs on either sides of this. Now I've had this for about a week now. I can say it's a massive improvement on the previous ones I've had in the past, such as this or this. The least we say about that, the best. So let's get rid of all of them. This is what you need. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, take care.